All right, we are live. Yo, 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 yo. It's on. It's on, boys. Waiting for a stronger pullback. Market open in 2 minutes. Right now, just waiting and seeing, waiting and seeing. Hello everybody. What is going on, boys? Hello, 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 boys. I am so happy to have you here, everyone, boys and girls. Welcome to trading day. We are Wednesday. In 1 minute, the market is opening. Let's run over quickly to the plan here. We're at the daily chart. We're near the all-time highs, 24,071. Maybe we can take all those all-time highs. We had news coming out here, 1430. On the 15-minute chart looks bullish, but I want to see this start like pump a little bit. I want to see this pulling back. And right now we are a bit of strong pullback here. I want to see what is happening at open. If we can keep it pushing or not. In 30 seconds markets are opening. So yeah, let's see if we can hold the 24,000s. 21 seconds markets are opening. So I want to see maybe we start pushing, taking out this high here. I don't want to see this dump, but if we're dumping, we be taking a short in case. So markets are open. Yeah, we're dumping. Wow, this is insane. Oh my days. Oh ho ho. What the frick? Come on. All the way down there at the view up. I think my charts are lagging right now. Yeah, I think they're lagging. Whoa, that's a big ass dump. Huge dump. 50-point dump. Oh, ES at the view up as well. I want to see this pull back maybe where we found support here, 80s. So, I mean, we're doing that had strength and now we're losing strength. So time for a pullback. I want to see a good setup today though. I want to see this push up here, 70s, 72s. I just need a spot to enter short. That's what I want to look for. A spot to enter short. I mean, dumping, but yeah. Nasdaq going there. There. See if we can have, you know, a bear, not a bear flag. What would be my target? 900 would be the target. 900 would definitely be in target. Yeah. That would definitely be a good target. Held at 24,000 there level. We just couldn't get above it. Good luck to... Good luck, good luck. Hello, Angel. Good luck. Hello, hello. Hope everything's all clear. We're waiting and seeing. Alright, we're pulling back here. Pulling back. Hope we can get a push. If we can get a push up there into the 68s, maybe we could continue for a dump. Who's in the chat, by the way? Angel is in the chat. Maybe the OG Brief is in the chat. I don't know. But thank you for 50 subs, everybody. I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all so much. Alright, well, alright, we're pulling back. As long as we don't chop, I'll be happy. I'm gonna try it. I'm not sure. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. If I'm gonna move my stop, I wouldn't move my stop. Keep it right here. But my take profit, I might move this. Maybe all the way here into the 900s, 903s. There's 57 points. If we can get it, that is. If I get, you know, at the end of the day, losing days are just part of it. But yeah, I'm really hoping that we don't get losing days. Maybe, yeah, right above the 80s. If we get above the 80s here, then it's a bad place. Because if we get above the 80s, we have a chance to pull all the way back up. All the way into the 24,000. So I'm not really sure that we can, yeah. I'm not really sure that we can keep pushing here. Like, I'm not really sure that if we dump, we need to dump now. But I'll get out while I can. Place the stop right above this high here. Manage it carefully, responsibly. I would sell 2 more in here. Gonna get into another position. Add into this position. With the idea to keep dumping. And we need to get out through the 40s. If we get through the 40s, there's good news. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, wow. Just please don't stop me break even. I'm gonna let just one more go. Stops me out break even. Fuck off. Okay, it doesn't really matter either way. I mean, I want this into the 900s, 903s there. Initial target 903s. Point is, we just let this one ride. And we trailed the stop down. We got stopped out on one position, which is fine. We got stopped out break even on that one. Sad, but now we gotta move. I don't want this to get stuck too much down there at the bottom. I need to get this straight through there. So I'm gonna move my stop to break even. And if we get something, we move it. Or I might just hold my hands on the trigger. Come on, we gotta give ourselves the chance to experience a large ass dumper here. We just need to go there. Come on, boy. Do it. I know you can. I'm just gonna lock in some profit there at the 49s. Come on, get down there. Get down there. Beautiful. Beautiful. I'm curious to see how much this trade is gonna last. $900s are in the 900s are in the visor here. We just need a straight direction. Gonna add in this position. I'm gonna just take it one. I'm gonna take one here in the 23s. Looks good. There we go. We're at one. And we're out of another one. Okay, so we made $47 on that trade. Pretty neat, if you ask me. 123. I mean, pretty neat on a winning day like this. I mean, it's not bad. Now we wait for the next setup. How many trades are we in total? Pretty good. How many? 4 trades. Largest losing trade, largest winning trade. As you can see, $80, $123 winning trade. And now we just wait. I mean, this was a perfect setup here. This was a very good setup. Right there at the 70s, you know. If I could have bought that level, bro, that would have been so good. I sold a little bit too early here. Sold a little bit too early. Should have waited for that setup, but it's okay. Target was initially I wanted this to go to the 900s there. But yeah, I guess I took what I could. I took what I could. It's alright. If we see the 900s, I'd wait for a reaction. I'd wait for another short setup. Pretty good. Pretty good trade, if you ask me. I mean, we had, what? We had like a winner, a small winner here, break even, $10 profit. And this one here made us 123 in one place. And this one stopped us break even. But yeah, I mean, there it is. We're just moving down, down, down here. I mean, could I have milked more money out of this? Well, let's move on to the chart. Let's move on to the charts. Let's move on to the actual strategy charts, and we can see what happened. I mean, it was a pretty good short. I'm not gonna lie. Pretty good short. Let me see. What's the ES doing? ES. Holding up here. We want the ES to move through the view up. ES is still is above the view up. We have a gap to fill all the way in here on the QQQ. I mean, this was a pretty good short. Pretty decent. Got stuck on the QQQ there on the at the pivot point. Really gotta keep an eye on those pivot points. I'm lacking. My internet's lagging right now, bruh. We're near the all-time highs, so I would expect more of a pullback. But right now, I mean, I think I'm happy where I took my trade off. We're gonna set one more trade in, boys, and if we fail that trade, we're gonna get out. But I'm gonna wait for another maybe little small setup. What's where this is gonna go now, but I just want to wait and be patient. Actually, let me check the larger time frame charts here. Didn't go down there into the 900s completely. It's tricky day, boys. Tricky day. This one was a good short here. I mean, you had the opportunity. I mean, we made money on this. We made money on this. Like, we made a bunch of money. Like, look at this. Perfect short here. Let's calm down. Perfect short. I got a little bit early in here, but we pushed that up there. Bang, 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 bang. Just going straight down. Not a bad short. Pretty neat trade. However, I feel like I didn't milk as I should have fully. But yeah, I think yeah, I'll take what I can, you know. We had another short opportunity here, but I didn't get on it. I just want to wait and see because the action here is choppy. It's quite hard to make a decision. It's hard to make a decision, that's for sure. I want that clean setup, maybe. Clean. I want a clean setup. I don't want to just take anything and everything, you know, just for the sake of it. Buying at the bottom, I don't want to do. So I want to wait for another setup. I mean, this candle here though, this big old candle here, owner candle, we had this huge candle here that popped up. It's scary because when I usually see these candles, like look at that. When I usually see these candles, I would say like about 60% of the time this keeps pushing higher. So for me to get short at this candle seems quite scary. I mean, look at that. We're pushing all the way back up. All the way back up. Holding down there at the view up. I'm checking non-stop at the ES. The ES always leads the Nasdaq. Sometimes it's the other way around, but ES leading the typically most. The ES holds above. Right now the ES holds the pivot point there, 548. Oh Jesus. And we are just sitting here at the middle of this range. I'm gonna try this tiny little short here. I want to take it here. Tiny little stab. Can we get a follow through? Now probably is gonna squeeze me through there. Hope not. Think that was just a little bit of a miss out trade. Yeah, FOMO, look at that. Ooh, goes against me full on. Bad decision. But yeah, we're only risking, I mean the profit and a little bit of money. So we're gonna manage this as careful as we can. If we get stopped down on this trade, I'm gonna take a breathe. I'm gonna take a step back, relax, and let it play out how it's supposed to play out. Looks pretty disgusting right now. Bro, that was almost a stop out. Probably stops me out here. No way. Yeah, stopping me out. Stopped out. We're down $35 on the day. Just 35. So I think our risk played out pretty well. Right now what I would do is wait. This bad guy here. Ooh, this wants to pump. Look at that. Good thing I got out where I got. Ooh. Is this a trash day today? Maybe. Maybe. Tempted to get another short here, but let me actually look at the ES. Let me actually do decisions. Okay, the ES is surging right now. It's absolutely going to the moon. So I think maybe we should expect a little bit of a pushback up from the Nasdaq's part. Still looking bearish though. Still very bearishly oriented. I'll say that. Not the least. The ES is still holding. That's a huge problem. Should I get another short here? I mean, it looks pretty shorty, but I'll try it. Oh my days. What the fuck? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. What the heck was that? That was 140 in profit. That happened so quick. Wait, do we have news? What? Did you see that? Did you guys see that trade? Do we have news? Ain't no way. You guys just saw that. Oh my god. Oh my Jesus. Whoa. We just made $100. Holy smokes. Let me watch the news. What? That was madness. That was absolutely insane. What just happened? I'm tempted to maybe let this crack through here, but right now we literally went into the 900s, stopped flat on into the 900s. Did you guys see that? That just washed through our target, and it took like a second to actualize. What the hell? No, there's no news. There is, in 7 minutes there are news, yeah. And at 16:30. But now there's no news. It just washed through there. There was like a liquidity wash. It just went like exploded. Someone's texting. Who could that be? Okay. What the heck? That was a dude. That was a mad trade, bro. That was insane. Who saw that trade, bro? Dude, that was madness. I don't like this downward chop though. This just washed through the freaking target. We're flat on at $102. A good friend of mine is texting, saying he wants to play tonight. I'm gonna take out a little stab here. Might not have the best idea though. I might just give back some profits. I'm not doing the right thing right now. I know I'm not doing it. But I'm tempted to just... It's chopping so bad. It's chopping, it's chopping, it's chopping, but if I get stopped out, I might just call it a day here. It's too much. It's a gambling day. It's so bad. Loss, win, and I'm still locking in some wins. Like after this, I'll be down. I would still be up $20. Like quite literally. Yeah, okay. We're done. Oh my god, I'm done trading for today. Still up $20. It's 20 bucks. Oh my days, dude. I'm still like done. I'm done. Like what the hell was that wash? It just washed through our target, that one. What is this day? I'm gonna call it quits. I don't like this. None of this to me looks good. $20 is break even. It's not even much profit. Let me see the other charts. What's the ES doing? ES still holding above the view up. Still cannot get through there. That is crazy. That is insane. Oh wow! I mean we went through the. I mean we literally went into the 900s, like we said about. I'm gonna put my phone to charge. It's absolutely dying right now. On the 5 minute chart, it looks extremely clean, but the rest is like junk. It's like junkyard. This is this is such a gamble right now. Why am I doing this? Like actually I'm gonna just place my stop here. This does not look good. This is a stupid decision what I just did here. I mean, literally that was just a stupid impulse. This was just very stupid. There's so much chop. That was so bad what happened just earlier. This could have went the other way completely. My phone, dude. It's going crazy right now. I'm watching also this chart down here. I'm just gonna take the stop out here. This is so disgusting. Disgusting. Oh, we're down 24 bucks. Oh my god. What is this? What is this market? What is this market? Yo, y'all are seeing this shit. This is Wednesday madness. I mean, I don't know how else to call it. We're in a great spot for a long here. I don't know how else to call it, to be honest, right now. This is other than Wednesday. Yeah, okay, the ES is going up. Is going up. What is this, dude? What? ES is going up. If the ES is going up, we might be changing like currents. We might just be going straight down. Just going up. We're switching. We're definitely switching sides now. switching it. We're switching it. Hourly chart looks junk. Oops, my bad. Let it do something. This is absolutely stupid. Stupid. And the fact that we're not even down a lot, this is crazy. Like my performance setter says we're just down $24. What? Oh Lord. Lord, Lord, Lord. Okay, so if we want to go long, I would say, you know, make a structure. I would be looking to, you know, another target into the 24,000s, but I just want a little bit of, you know, of a pullback that we're gonna go. I don't want just to buy here and then it pulls back on me, stops me, then I get out for a loss. No, no, no. I mean, this day is not even bad. I mean, it's not like yesterday, but it's crazy. That's that's all you have to know. It is pretty crazy. You know, retest into the 952s here would be appropriate. Yo, Angel, what are your thoughts? What are your thoughts on today? What are your thoughts on today? How is it going? What is your opinion? Write down there in the chat. Since you're the only one in the chat now, I suppose you can tell us what you think about it. Just get down there 50s. 50s would be a great level, honestly. This could have been, yeah, taking stop out, stop out. How much was the win rate? 50-50. What the frick? And then if I put my stop here into the 30s, into the 50s. Could I be, maybe I can put an order here. I'm not gonna get into a trade. I'm actually gonna put an order into the 50s. There's volume into the 50s here. So if this starts to like go mad, then I suppose I could set a stop and my target up here into the 97s maybe. You know, for being down just $24, I could maybe put up another trade. You know, just leave this order here into the 50s because that's my initial plan. Waiting for this area, if you see here, the 50 area, right there, is where we got stuck so many times we dumped. Now I think it's time that we retest that area. And I put my stop here into the 30s. Great trade if you ask me. I mean, I'm just gonna leave the order as it is and I'm gonna wait to see what's happening. In the meantime, I'm gonna be checking the ES. I'm gonna be keeping an eye on that little shit. Oh, it's going. The ES is going so bad right now. Let me show you guys. What do you think, Angel Avila? Good. Good. Okay. I see someone saying good in the chat. I mean, look at that. I think it's good. Yeah, it is a good day, but you don't know what, like, you don't know what way it's good. You don't know. No one knows. Right there, the ES is going to the moon. I'm gonna tell you guys if I get filled, if my order gets filled and activated and I'm in a trade, I'll tell you guys. But right now, look at the ES, all the way up there. Beautiful, right? Beautiful, but you know in what way I mean it. You guys know it. Right now, we're starting to flip bullish here. Some buyers are starting to kick up. Some buyers. Let me see the cumulative delta on this thing here. Buyers are stepping in. The 50s, come on. I have my order down there into the 50s. 950s order. What will happen? I don't even know what to make of this. I'm looking right now at these charts. I don't even know what to make of these. Look at these. We're starting to slow down. If it gets... Remember, my order is here into the 50s. Wait, let me check. I'm gonna put my order straight down there into the 50s. 50s order. If I get filled, you know, straight there into the 50s. There, and my stop is into the flat on into the 30s. And my target is somewhere near this. Near the 24,000s here. Somewhere here. For 50 points or something. Let's just see. Come on. Let's just look at this and see. I mean, it doesn't look too good, honestly. It looks like a lower high, higher high. I think I just got filled. Yeah, I just got filled. Yeah, my order got filled right now. I'm currently in the trade, quite literally. And now I want to see this go. Go. Oh yeah, we're going. Oh yeah. I'm gonna guard my account, and I'm gonna keep my stop here into the 39s. I want to see this going, honestly, but I'm not sure. I mean, we do look good for a push, so I'm gonna give it a little bit of room in case we go up there. I mean, 90s is good. 90s is good. And then just push up there. This would be a great trade. Look, retest at the view up, following the plan, targeting. Let me take off some orders, and out of this I want to take off one little contract. I'm gonna sell here one if it gets to that target. Selling one into the 79s here. And one into the 90s. There you go. I mean, that's the original plan. I mean, there's always a chance for it not to work, but right now let's just be patient. This looks very good on the 3-minute chart. So let's just be patient. Be patient. We're holding that level where we got stuck at earlier. I'm targeting for this high here. One order, take it out there. Just take me out half of my profits and then let some run. I'm gonna move my stop to break even. If this goes back to break even, I'm gonna stop trading. because then something's not normal if this goes all the way there. But right now, I think I'm in a very good position. I'm in a very good trade. So right now, let's just hold for these winners. Hold for the winners. Hold for the winners. I'm non-stop looking at this 3-minute chart here. Look at that. Come on. Push it up there into the 80s, bro. Come on, push, 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 push into the 80s. Come on, take off that 80s level. Come on, dude. I saw that long coming from a mile away. I'm not letting this go now. I'm just gonna take it here. I'm not gonna bother. We're literally... This would have stopped me at break even if... This could have been a good long, bro. Had to ruin it. Oh, haha, yeah. You good? Yes, I'm good. I'm good. You good? Yeah, I'm good. I only lost $4. Bro, this is such a crazy day, I'm telling you. We haven't lost anything. You know, for today is quite a crazy day. Bro, this could have been such a good trade. I think this would have stopped me out. Possibly. Just gonna get in there for a little bit. Take profit into the 80s. Literally, I just went in a little bit of one micro, that's all. Let it go up there into the 80s or more. I'm gonna set my stop here into the 60s. It's just a very tiny little micro contract. As you can see, we're not making much, but also we're not losing much. Lower the risk, dragging my stop. You can see here the P&L, how much I'm losing, how much I'm making, but I just want to take a little bit off into the 83s there. Don't think that's much I'm asking, but this just keeps getting stuck there. Can we front run it? Thank you. Oh, that was disgusting. gonna just put a break even. Get me out there. If stop me out break even. I wanna be done trading today. There you go. Okay, we're done. There you go. We're down, as you can see. Let me show you guys. How much are we down? How much? $4.26. That's all we lost today. Yeah, look at that. Now it's dumping. Per this week we lost 181. There you go. Okay, let's just move on. Enough trading. I'm just gonna stop. Let's just move on. Oh, buddy. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Okay, time to switch my platforms. Am I frustrated today? Okay, let's do a little bit of self-evaluation. And after the self-evaluation, I'm gonna set some good music for you guys. So I'm gonna stop trading right now. Let me check my performance stats again. 10 trades for today. Longest trade I held was for 5 minutes. Largest losing trade, $81. Largest winning trade, $140. At the end of the day, this is what matters, to have larger winning trades than losing trades. But look at that. This is a break-even day, so I'll take it. I'm gonna move it. Gonna reset all my stuff the way it was before, risking 20 points to make 35 points. Okay, and now we're just gonna shut down the broker. There you go. And now what we're gonna do is gonna do a little bit of self-evaluation. So, am I frustrated today? Am I frustrated today? No. I haven't lost anything, but I am frustrated with the price action. I'm frustrated with the way this moves. It doesn't move great. It's moving like ass cheeks, pretty much. So, I'm frustrated with how today went. Like, look at this. Look at this junk. Look at this. There's no direction. And what is this now? What on earth is this now? This is stupid. What is this wick? This is pure manipulation. This is just pure. If you had your stop anywhere here, you probably got wiped out. How do I feel today? Do I feel frustrated? No. How did I do trading? How did I trade? Well, I took a bit too many trades, but did I stick to my plan? Yeah, I did not over leverage. I did not risk more than I had to. I never risked more than $80 on each trade, and I didn't let myself go on tilt just because of what today is giving us. So also it's a very, obviously it's a good day, but also a bad day to lose money, right? So trading wise, I respected my plan. Money wise, didn't lose much, only $4. What else do we got? Price action wise, plan wise, I think everything I did the way it's supposed to be. Just a little bit too many trades, and I think it's time for me to go away. And I'm gonna let the stream run for another 6-7 minutes with some nice music on for you guys. So let's just put on some good old bangers, and then yeah, drop your comments down in the chat if you want to drop it now in the chat. I can answer it. Alright, so I'm gonna go for 5 minutes, 6 minutes, and I'll be back for it then. So enjoy the music, guys. Let's see where this goes. Let's just see where does this